Hi, welcome to the NS classes. Today we are going to learn about fractions. Okay, then what do you mean by a fraction? Fraction express a part of a whole. That means this is one whole. Okay, then fractions means a part of this whole. This means one part. This is first part, this is second part, and this is third part, and this is fourth part. Fractions express the part of a whole. This means this part of the shaded region. Okay, then we are going to express this part of the shaded region. The fraction of this shaded region will be only one part we are shaded, so it will be 1 by 4. This is the fraction of this shaded region. Okay, how we got it? Before that, for fractions there will be a numerator and denominator. Okay, the number which we will write above the line is called numerator, and the number we will write below the line is called denominator. Okay, then so in this fraction the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 4. Clear? Then numerator, what does numerator represent? Numerator represent a part of a whole. Numerator represent part of a whole, and denominator represent the whole. Okay, so the numerator represents the part of a whole. That means the part of the shaded region. That means only one part we are shaded, so we have written it as numerator. And the whole, that means how many parts are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have written here 4. Got it now? Again, another example. There is one circle, and we divided it into we are going to divide it into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 parts. Okay, and we have shaded the 2 part of it. Okay, what will be the fraction here? What will be the fraction here? Numerator means the part of the shaded region. Only 2 parts we have shaded, so we are going to write 2. And how many whole parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to write here 6. Again I am telling you, the number above the line is numerator and below the line is denominator. Sometimes we will get, as a beginners, we will get confused. What is numerator? What will be the numerator and what is the denominator? So a small trick is the denominator. Right? Denominator, that means D. D for down. Just think like that. A small tip, think so. D for down. So the number down below the line is denominator. Easy, no? So we learn how to write the fraction. Now we are going to learn the different types of fractions. Okay. we are going to learn the types of fractions. Types of fractions. First one, proper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay, proper fraction means when the numerator is less than the denominator, it is the proper fraction. That means numerator is less than the denominator. As the name suggests, proper fraction. Look, this is one circle and we are divided into 4 parts and we have shaded the one of it. And how we will write the fraction? 1 by 4. That means numerator is less than the denominator. As the name suggests, it is very proper fraction. Next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. The reverse of that, when the numerator is greater than the denominator, it is improper fraction. Reverse of that. That means when a numerator is greater means 3 by 2 or 4 by 1 or 7 by 5. All these are examples of improper fraction. That means that reverse of the proper fraction. Proper fraction, that means our normal fractions, the name suggests it is a proper fraction. Then another type of fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. What do you mean by mixed fraction? In mixed fraction, there will be a whole number and a proper fraction. 2 and 1 by 2. 2 represent the whole number and 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. That or some other example is 5 and 2 by 3. This is another example of mixed fraction. That means a whole number will be there and a proper fraction will be along with it. This is an example of mixed fraction. Okay. Next fraction is, next two types of fractions are like fractions. Like fraction. Like fraction. What is the meaning of like fraction? When there are same denominators, they are called like fractions. Examples are same denominators. Denominators. Examples are 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5. That means same denominator. Clear? Another type of fraction is, one is like fraction, then another will be the reverse of that, unlike fraction. When there are different denominators, they are called unlike fractions. What will be the example? 2 by 3, 1 by 4, then 6 by 7. All these are examples of unlike fractions. Okay, is that clear? Then we are going to make a small revision of this. What we have discussed today. One is proper fraction. Proper fraction, that means when the numerator is less than the denominator. Second one is improper fraction. Improper fraction, that means numerator is greater than the denominator. Then third one is mixed fraction. What do you mean by mixed fraction? There will be a whole number and a fraction. That is called mixed fraction. Next one is like fractions. Fractions having same denominator. Clear? Next one is unlike fraction. Fractions having different denominator.